Still going to be an old start. Well, yeah, it's 1965 Rambler. Cold start, because it's about -5 here in Richmond. No snow, of course, but the car's been sitting for about a month without a start, and it had a dead battery when I came to try it out. Had a bunch of all ice on the windows and the inside, and well, I put a battery in. I don't know how good it is. I think it's going to get a 360 next year, so not going to be using the Inline 6 much longer, but I would like to drive it around for a couple months with it before it gets a 360, and so might make it into a 12-second car. Now, the ignition switch is shorted out. It's just start randomly cranking the car over while you're driving, so I had to wire in an aftermarket one. That's just temporary until I find a new factory replacement switch. There's no aftermarket switches available for these cars anymore. So you gotta find new old stock. Yeah, battery's good. Give it a few pumps of gas. There's not much fuel left. Let's see if she'll go. Come on. There we go. It's running real rough. It's cold outside. Oh yeah. Bunch of oil burn off. Valve stem seals are shot. It's still a good little car. So I'm gonna drive it for a couple months before I do the motor swap and start to restore it. Make it a fun little car to drive. There we go. 9.6, that battery's still good. Surprisingly. I won't go off cold idle because I rebuilt the carburetor. That's all better. Yeah, I rebuilt the carburetor, followed every instructions, everything's cleaned out, everything's set up perfectly with a digital micrometer.